Hi there folks, and welcome to the word solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour. This is issue number 16. So article number 1, our world article. So you may have heard of this glass bridge in China that stands 300 metres above the ground. You might have seen a wee video on YouTube to demonstrate how confident and how strong it was. They drove a car full of people across it. Well anyway, it's to be closed for urgent maintenance work after just 13 days. So the bridge is 430 metres long. So the question was, based on the typical human walking speed of 1.4 metres per second, which is also 3.1 miles per hour and 5 kilometres per hour, how long would it take the person to cross a person to cross the bridge? You have to give your answer to the nearest minute. Okay, so first things first, we've got a wee equation that helps us to work out time, how long something takes, and that's distance divided by speed. So the distance is 430, and we can use the units for speed 1.4 metres per second because the metres and the metres tie up. So it's 430 divided by 1.4, which gives us 307.142 dot dot dot. But of course that's in seconds. So to answer the question, we have to give our answer to the nearest minute. So we change seconds into minutes by dividing by 60. So this gives us a final answer of 5 minutes when you round it to the nearest whole number. Okay, so on to our technology question. So we have that BBC iPlayer users will have to pay a TV licence fee from the 1st of September. So most of you will be fine because your parents have a TV licence, but obviously this could impact people like students who use catch up when they're away at uni and maybe can't afford a TV licence. You might have noticed that when you're watching programmes, that when you click on a programme as of Thursday there, the 1st of September, it asks you to confirm whether or not you've got a TV licence. So a TV licence costs £145.50 for a year, but to make it a wee bit more affordable, you can pay by direct debit, so every month at no extra cost. So how much are these monthly payments? So if that's for 1 year, this is for 12 months worth of payments. So to get 1 month, we're going to divide the £145.50 by 12. And when you do that, you get an answer of 12.125 as your answer. So of course we need to round to 2 decimal places because it's money, and that would be to the nearest penny. So this 5 rounds this 2 up, so it's £12.13 per month you would have to pay. So the British Broadcasting Corporation may be getting a wee sneaky extra penny off you every month. Okay, so on to story number 3, so the baby names, most popular baby names from 2015. And the one thing to note is that Noah, for the first time ever, has entered the top 10. And we have to work out what percentage of baby boys in the top 10 were called Noah in 2015. So how many were called Noah? So it's 4,148, and that's out of, well, we're going to divide by all of these boys, all of these baby boys added up together. So you probably used a calculator for that. So that's our kind of fraction, and if we put that into a calculator, that'll make a decimal. So to change to a percentage, we need to multiply by 100. And if we put all that into a calculator and round it to 1 decimal place, we'll get an answer of 8.5%. Now for the bonus question, did you manage to guess the most popular girl's name from 2015? You might have done because it's been the most popular girl's name since 2011, and the answer of course is Amelia. So if you got that one, I'm very impressed. Okay, and our last story, really sad. So Gene Wilder, the star of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, dies aged 83. So in tribute to him, we've given you a wee question here. So obviously the plot of the film was that Willy Wonka hid 5 golden tickets. So we're saying he's hidden them in 1 billion of his chocolate bars. So what is the probability of winning a golden ticket? Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So how many chances of winning do you have? Well, for every bar of chocolate that you open, well, until a ticket's discovered, you've got 5 chances, and that's out of a total of 1 billion chocolate bars. So 1 billion, of course, is 1 and 9 zeros. So we need to try and simplify this fraction, and because we've got numbers ending in a 5 and a 0, that means we can divide top and bottom by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and a billion divided by 5, once you do it using the calculator or doing a wee sum, it's going to be 200 million. So you would have a 1 in 200 million chance of winning a golden ticket. And to think Charlie only had to open up 2, you'd never guess that that was Hollywood at work there, would you? Anyway, that was our Word Solutions for Daily Rigour issue number 16. I hope you enjoyed that. So stay tuned next week for next week's issue when we're going to look at more big stories from the news. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.